Okay students, in this video we are going to discuss about the concept of collinearity. Concept of collinearity. See, already in previous lectures we discussed some concepts of introduction coordinate system in 2D. So now in this video we are going to discuss the concept of collinearity. What is meant by collinearity? See, suppose if you take the 3 points, let A comma B comma C be 3 points, be 3 points, be 3 points, A comma B comma C be 3 points. If all these points lie on the same line, if all these points lie on the same line A, B and C, then we said all these points are the collinear points. Not only the 3 points, more than 3 points you can take any number of the points. When all those points will be lies on the same line, then we said those points are called collinear points. But generally our standard is only that up to 3 points they will ask in examinations. They will ask only examination. So what is the definition of the collinearity? So that means here you write that is if all the given all the given 3 points all the given 3 points lie on the same line, lie on the same line, lie on the same line, then those points are said to be collinear, or said to be collinear, right? This one is the definition of collinear, right? So what are the different methods to prove the given points are collinear? See, here the different methods. First method is find equation of the line segment joining the line segment joining any 2 points, right? If the remaining third point also lies on the same line, so this is the first method. And next second method to prove that collinearity is slope of AB is equals to slope of BC is equals to slope of CA. This is the second method. And third method is that sum of any two distances will be equals to third distance. That is AB plus BC is equals to CA, or BC plus CA is equals to AB or CA plus AB is equals to CA plus AB is equals to BC. This is the another model. Okay. So the next one is that area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. These are the different methods to prove the given points are collinear. So my suggestion is the best of these four methods, second one and fourth one is the very simple methods. Okay, so most of the students will be follow that slope concept method or area of the triangle ABC will be equals to 0. Now we will do that problems related to the collinear concept. See the problem based on the concept of collinears. So here 3 points are given. These 3 are the collinear. Let I taken this point is A, B and C. So which is the best method for the collinear point? Slope concept is the best method. Here you write that the slope of AB is equals to slope of AB is equals to slope of BC or slope of AC. Slope of BC or slope of AC. Now we know that slope of the line segment joining the 2 points, this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. y1 minus y2 is that 2 minus 4k whole divided by x1 minus x2 is that 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 is equals to slope of BC is that y1 minus here B is x1 y1, C is that x2 y2. y1 minus y2 is that 4k minus 6. This one is that 4k minus 6 whole divided by x1 minus x2 is nothing but minus k plus k will be cancelled. So 1 plus 4 is that 5. So here this is the simplified value. Now you cross multiply this one. First of all you see that here is that in the numerator you can take 2 as common, here also 2 as common. 5 into, here 2 will be cancelled on both sides. 1 minus 2k is equals to, this one is nothing but 2k minus 3. 2k minus 3 into 2k minus 1. So this one is the cross multiplication. Now you simplify this value. This one is becomes that 5 minus 10 into k is equals to, this one you simplify 4 into k square minus 2k minus 6k is the minus 8k and plus 3. Here these left hand side terms you get all the right side. 4k square, this becomes that 4 into k square minus 10k if it goes to right side plus 10k. 10k minus 8k is that plus 2 into k. And next one is that 5 if it goes to the right side. 3 minus 5 is that minus 2 is equals to 0. That implies this one you divided with 2. That means 2 into k square plus k minus 1 is equals to 0. This is in the form of quadratic expression. What are the factors of this one? This one is the 2 into k square plus 2k minus k. 2k minus k minus 1 is equals to 0. That implies you can write that 2k as the common in the first two terms. 2k into k plus 1 and minus 1 you take minus 1 into k plus 1 is equals to 0. Here this one becomes that 2k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equals to 0. K plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, what is that k value? Therefore, k is equals to minus 1 comma 1 by 2. So, these are the k values if the given points are collinear. So, minus 1 comma 1 by 2. Minus 1 comma 1 by 2. Which is the correct option? First option is the correct answer. What is the correct option? First option is the correct answer. So minus k is equals to minus 1 comma 1 by 2. So right, we'll see the next question. Say in this one the points minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1 by root 3 and cos theta comma sin theta are the collinear. That means what? So here you can apply that any method, either area of triangle is equals to 0 or slope concept will be equals to 0. So here I am applying that slope concept. Let A is equals to first point. Let A is equals to minus 2 comma 0 and B is equals to minus 1 comma 1 by root 3 and C is equals to cos theta comma sin theta, right? So already in that given question, the given points are the collinear or non-collinear. Very clearly the given points are collinear. So then you write that slope of AB is equals to, therefore slope of AB is equals to, I will write that slope of AC, Now tell me what is that first slope of AB? Y1 minus Y2, that is minus 1 by root 3. 0 minus 1 by root 3 is that minus 1 by root 3 whole divided by x1 minus x2 is that minus 2 plus 1 is that minus 1 is equals to slope of AC. Slope of AC is that A point is x1 comma y1, C point as x2 comma y2. So that means 0 minus sin theta is that minus sin theta whole divided by minus 2 minus cos theta, cos theta. Here is that minus and minus will be cancelled. That implies you will be get that this one is that 1 by root 3 is equals to, in this one also you take from numerator and denominator minus as a common, sin theta by 2 plus cos theta. Now you cross multiply this one. That implies this one is becomes that 2 plus cos theta is equals to root 3 into this value is that sin theta, right? So now you have to find that the number of values of theta belongs to closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. That means we should be solve this one. How many number of solutions in this interval? That means better you convert this one is that one trigonometric function. That is either in terms of the sine or cos. Now here I will write in terms of this, in terms of cos. So this one is that squaring on both sides, 2 plus cos theta whole square, 2 plus cos theta whole square is equals to 3 into sin square theta. Sin square theta you can write that 1 minus cos square theta. Now after that you simplify this value. That implies this one is that 4 plus 4 into cos theta, plus cos square theta is equals to 3 minus 3 into cos square theta. Now you get minus 3 cos square theta to the left hand side. That becomes the 4 into cos square theta, and next one is that plus 4 into cos theta, and next one is that plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 is equals to 0. Now that implies This one we can write that 2 into cos theta plus 1 whole square is equals to 0. From this one we can write that cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. So now you tell me that what is the graph of that cos theta? See, here that graph of the cos theta will be, this one is that x axis and this one is the y axis. What is the range of that cos theta? Minus 1 to plus 1. Now here you draw that one line at x is equals to 1. I mean output range is nothing but the output. So this one is nothing but what? Y is equals to 1. This is the x axis. So y is equals to, this one is 0. At x is equals to minus 1 you draw that one line. So this one is that, this is nothing but minus 1. This is that plus 1. So this one is that y is equals to minus 1. This is that origin. This one is the origin. So now you tell me that here the graph of the cos x for cos theta. First of all, cos will be that intersecting that x axis at what points? Odd multiple of pi by 2. So that means at x is equals to 0, cos 0 is equals to what? 1. So this one is that given interval is closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. So this one is nothing but pi by 2 and this is nothing but that a pi by 2 and this one is nothing but a pi and this one is that a 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, this one is that 2 pi. This one is the 2 pi. So your graph will be drawn only from 0 to 2 pi only. From 0 to 2 pi only. Right? So now here that the next one is nothing but cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2 means for what that angle, for how many number of values cos theta will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is that lies between that minus 1 to 0. So here you draw the line at between this one. So here this one is that, and below that 2 pi the line y is equals to minus 1 by 2 is intersecting the curve at how many points? This is that one point and this one is that another point. So obviously the number of values of theta, so this is that one value and this is that another value. So therefore number of values of theta, therefore number of values of theta, number of values of theta in closed interval 0 comma 2 pi, closed interval 0 comma 2 pi is equals to how many number of values of theta? This line is intersecting the curve at the how many points? 2 points. So obviously the number of theta values will be 2. These are called the number of solutions of the equation. So actually this concept we will be discussed in the trigonometric equations. So but unexpectedly that concept is contained in the collinear concepts. So here is that the number of solutions will be equals to 2. So what is the correct option? C is the correct option. What is the correct option? C. C is the correct option. Right? So I hope that everybody understood this problem. So I will go to the next question. Say here the points with the coordinates 2a comma 3a, 3b comma 2b and c comma c are the collinear. These are the collinear. So then here which option will be satisfy this one? For no value of ABC, for all values of ABC and a comma c by 5 comma b are in HP, a comma 2c by 5 comma b are in HP. Now we will see this one. Here better you apply that slope concept. So first of all, you take the given points are A, B, C. Let capital A is equals to 2A comma 3A. 2A comma 3A. Capital B is equals to 3B comma 2B. And capital C is equals to small c comma small c. These points are the collinear. Already that is mentioned in the problem. Okay. So now you apply the slope concept. Therefore, slope of AB is equals to slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC or slope of AC, anything you can write. So here slope of AB is that y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is that 3a minus 2b whole divided by, and x1 minus x2 is that 2a minus 3b 2a minus 3b, okay, is equals to slope of BC is that y1 minus y2, that is that 2b minus c whole divided by x1 minus x2 is that 3b minus c, 3b minus c. This one is the value. Now after this one, you cross multiply this value. You cross multiply this value. So otherwise, is it possible to any other conditions? So better you apply the cross multiply. So by cross multiplying, you will be get that 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2b into 3b minus c is equals to 2b minus c into 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b. Now you simplify this value. That implies this one will be 3a into 3b is that 9 into ab, and next minus 3ac, minus 3ac minus 6 into b square, and next one is that plus 2 into bc, okay, is equals to this one is that 4 into ab minus 6 into b square minus 2 into ac and plus 3 into bc, plus 3 into bc. See this one here, that any term will be cancelled. Left hand side minus 6b square and right side is also minus 6b square will be cancelled. Now in this one 9 into ab is there. Here 9ab, here 4ab you get in the left hand side. That becomes that 5 into ab, 5 into ab, and next here is that plus 2bc, here is that plus 3bc, you get this one minus bc, okay, and next one is that here is minus 2ac, you get the left hand side, plus 2ac, minus 3ac plus 2ac is that minus ac is equals to 0, minus ac is equals to 0. Now this one we can write that, this one we can write that here is that 5 into ab, 5 into ab is equals to a plus b, a plus b, here is that a plus b into c, a plus b into c. So after this one, here you do one thing, this one is by dividing, this one is by dividing with ab, ab into c, 5 by c is equals to, this one is that 1 by a plus 1 by b. Here is that, this one we can write that, here is the numerator and denominator, you multiply this one with divided with 2, so divided with 5, so 1 by 5 by c by 5, c by 5, c by 5 you can write that numerator and denominator you multiply with 2, 2c by 5 is equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b. So here is that this one is in the clearly harmonic progression. So therefore a comma 2c by 5 comma b or in HP or in HP. HP means what? Harmonic progression or HP. So your correct answer is that D is the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Okay. So please all of you remember this. This is also very most important question. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Say here if T1 comma T2 comma T3 are the distinct, the points this one T1 comma 2a T1 plus a T1 square. Similarly in terms of T2 and in terms of T3 are collinear. So you see by replacing T1 T2 T3 by T, this point will be nothing but let x comma y is equals to x comma y is equals to, this one will be nothing but t comma 2a into t plus a t square. You can write this one a t square, you can write this one. So here is that, this is that any point. Here is that what? All these points are collinear. Collinear means all the lines will be on the same line. So that means on that line, this one is that any point. So let these points will be lies on the line, that is called line of collinearity. Let the line of collinearity, let the line of collinearity. Line of collinearity means what? Line of collinearity. Line of collinearity means the given points all lies on which equation, that is called line of collinearity. Let I am taking that all these points are lies on the line Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. Let I am taking this one, right? So that means here x comma y is that any point on this line or not? Therefore you substitute this point on this one L into t plus m into, that is that 2a into t plus a into t square plus n is equals to 0. Now you see here this one is by simplifying. So what is the highest power of the term? So t square is the highest power of the term. A into m into a into m into t square. A into m, a into this one is that t square. Next one is that, and next one will be, this value will be equals to here t. The next power is that a t. That is that 2a into m plus L into t plus the constant is that only n. Actually here that t values are that how many? 3 values are there, where t is equals to t1 t2 t3. That means let t1 comma t2 comma t3 be the roots of the above equation, be the roots of above equation. Roots of the above equation means here this equation must be in that which form? Quadratic form. This equation must be in which form? Quadratic form. So but here this one is only cubic form. Sorry, the equation must be in the cubic form. Cubic form means here this one is only in the quadratic form. 1 minute. See here, not that a t1 square. This is that a t power 3 is there. So that means here this point will be 2at plus at cube. That means this one is that at cube. This is that a t cube. Now this one is in the form of a cubic equation. Obviously cubic equation will represent that how many roots? 3 roots. So therefore sum of the roots will be equals to, sum of the roots is equals to t1 plus t2 plus t3. Sum of the roots is equals to minus of t square coefficient, minus of t square coefficient whole divided by t cube coefficient, t cube coefficient. Okay, so here you see this one, t square term is not involving in this equation, so that a t square coefficient will be 0. 0 by t cube coefficient is that a into m. So your answer will be 0 by something is equals to what? 0 is the answer. Okay, so this is the solution. So what is the correct option? C is the correct option. Sum of the t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equals to 0. So like that you can verify product of the roots also, t1 into t2 into t3. t1 into t2 into t3 is equals to minus of constant whole divided by t cube coefficient. So according that formula you can write that t1 into t2 into t3 value also. Okay, so your answer is that C is the correct answer. So your, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equals to 0. So you see that another question. Say this is the same model problem. So here instead of the t1, t2, t3, a, b, c are the given. So what is that? X is to y is to 1, t cube is to t square minus 3 is to t minus 1. So from this one we can write that x is equals to x comma y is equals to, directly you can write that x comma y is equals to this one, this value will be nothing but x is to y is to 1 means t cube whole divided by t minus 1, that is the x value. Y value is that t square minus 3 whole divided by t minus 1. Here is that t values are nothing but as in the previous question. So in previous question t values are t1, t2, t3, but here the t values are that a comma b comma c. In this case also we can consider that line of collinearity. So let this one line of collinearity what? Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. This one is the line of collinearity. Now you substitute in this one. L into x value is that t cube whole divided by t minus 1 plus m into y value is that t square minus 3 whole divided by t minus 1 plus n is equals to 0. N is equals to 0. Now you simplify this one. L into t cube plus m into this one is that t square, m into t square minus 3 plus n into t minus 1 is equals to 0. Now you write this one in the proper order. First t cube terms, that is that L into t cube plus m into t square. Okay, and next t term is that plus n into t and constant is that minus 3 into m minus n, so is equals to 0. Here you take minus is the common, this one is that minus of 3m plus n. So now clearly it is in the form of the cubic equation. Now you take that sum of the roots. Let what are the roots of this one? Here t is the variable. T values are that a comma b comma c. Therefore the roots of this equation will be a comma b comma c. Let here a comma b comma c, this one is already given, a comma b comma c are roots of the given equation, or roots of this one you take as that equation 1, roots of equation 1. Okay, so now what do you say that sum of the roots? That means a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is equals to what? Minus of t square coefficient by t cube coefficient. that is minus m whole divided by L. So next one is that sum of the product of two roots a into b plus b into c plus c into a is equals to, that value is equals to n by minus coefficient of t whole divided by coefficient of t cube, that is nothing but n by L, n by L. And next one is that product of the roots, product of the roots means a into b into c is equals to, this is minus plus minus of minus, this is nothing but constant 3m plus n whole divided by L. So this one is that all these values. Now substituting in one by one all that options, you can verify whether your answer is that which of the given options. So see this one, here is that AB plus ABC plus, here is that 3 into, here is that I am verifying that first option, first option A I am verifying, option A. Option A is that what? Option A is that ABC plus, what is that ABC value? 3m plus n whole divided by L plus 3 into a plus b plus c, that is that minus 3 into m whole divided by L. Okay, and next minus of AB plus minus n whole divided by L. So clearly this value will be equals to what? 0. So your correct option is that option A is the correct answer. So what is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. So I hope that this problem is everybody understood. These model questions are very most important in that advanced level. So mainly these type of questions will ask in the advanced level, either in single answer type question or more than one answer type question. Okay, thank you for watching this video. The next concept we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay, so please all of you like, share and subscribe this channel.